Hello, I finished brewing my beer. It's a porter ale, and I'm very excited about it. And let's open it up, and so we could take a look at the appearance, the smell, the taste, and the mouthfeel. I'm pretty excited, and I've been brewing it for about, oh goodness, nearly 2 months. And let's take a look here. See if I can open this up one-handed without making a mess. Oh, look at that head. Wow, it just keeps going. Let's let that settle for a little bit. I think that's beautiful. Let's put a little bit more in there. I think it's ready. Oh, look at that. It's going to be just about perfect. Oh, there we go. Okay, so the very dark hue, I would say that it's a dark chocolate brown. And, oh, it looks luscious. That foam is staying relatively well. It's not disappearing immediately. And a little bit of a lacing on the glass as it recedes. And let's take a look at that smell. It smells very malty and sweet, actually. It smells like chocolate and just a little bit like toffee. I think that the malts are nicely toasted. Anyway, let's try that taste, huh? Wow, a beautiful roast on that malt. Caramel, chocolate, a little bit of toffee. It's nicely toasted. Very tasty. I want some more. Just a hint of like a black coffee flavor. Good stuff, good stuff. Well, anyway, thank you for watching.